One of my personal favorite videos on the internet today are animal videos. And not just me, but billions of people around the world love watching these videos. And they rack up millions of views and tons of traffic across social media. And if you didn't already know, these channels and profiles are generating tens of thousands of dollars, starting with 0 followers and growing fast just from posting pre-made, non-copyrighted animal videos just like this. Take a look at this YouTube channel, Cute Pets TV. They have 1.9 million followers and are getting millions of views. According to Social Blade, they are making close to $20,000 a month and $200,000 a year just from the views on this one single YouTube channel. Or check out this channel, Top Fives. They create simple videos just like this with a narration behind them. According to Social Blade, this channel is making $1,000 and more every single day just from the video views that this channel brings in, and making $400,000 per year. There are tons of other YouTube channels just like these racking up millions of views with these animal videos that they didn't even create. This is a niche that even me, I own social media accounts in, that we've gained millions of views and followers on. And to be completely transparent with you guys, this niche has been extremely profitable for us as well. So I know that it can work for you too. I love this niche so much because this niche can really make others happy. And even though I do create and film my own videos, using the hacks in this free course today, you don't have to take any of the videos yourself or even have an animal or pet to do this. So you can also do this too without having to take any videos yourself. With these skills that you're about to learn today, and by taking advantage of the power of AI, it's never been an easier or better time to start. This is so profitable because not only can you make money from the actual video views, but also by affiliate marketing, your own e-commerce stores, and so many more income streams that you will develop that I have all free courses on my YouTube channel. People are really out here as beginners, making thousands of dollars doing this, and if they're doing it, why can't you? With platforms like InVideo AI, you can create these videos in minutes by typing in one simple text prompt, and the AI will create a full-blown video for you in minutes. I'll also be showing you how you can get these non-copyrighted animal videos, repurpose them by adding your own originality, and re-upload them to YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, and TikTok to grow your channels and profiles even faster. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return for the free education is smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Now let's get right into today's video. Now let me show you how you can make these videos with AI. So this is InVideo AI. I put the link for this tool down in my description box below, so just make sure you use that link. Let me show you how you can actually do this. The first thing you'll see is this box that asks you to type in a topic and instructions into the box. Now that we're here, let's ask the AI to create a 3-minute cute, fun YouTube video on 10 facts about dogs. And remember, the more detailed the prompt is, the better. So you could ask the AI that, or you could just get a little bit more detailed. So instead, this would be considered a more detailed prompt. So I went ahead and put in, create a YouTube video on 10 facts about dogs. The video should maintain a fast-paced rhythm, use an American female voice, and incorporate a fun sound effect at the beginning, followed by a transition to fun background music. Use large subtitles divided into smaller segments for emphasis. Use a combination of slow and fast-paced clips synchronized with the voiceover, and ensure a high level of video editing to enhance visual impact on the video. So feel free to take this prompt and use it, kind of switch it up however you need it. I just want you to have these key components in your prompt, which is the topic of the video, the tone of the voice, the type of voiceover, whether you want subtitles or not, more specific features. And like I said, the more specific you are, the better the AI is gonna do. And don't worry, when the AI is done creating this, I'll show you how we can put our own personalized touch on it. So now you're gonna see that our video is being generated. And as the AI is working, make sure that you sign up here and make an account. It is free to sign up. And I already have one, but if you haven't already made one, you can make it here. Now that our video is done, let's see what the AI made for us. It is so crazy that the AI made this fast. So right under this video, you can see below here, there's this preview of our video, and then there's this edit command box. Here you can make different types of edits using just these simple text commands. So I'll show you how you can do this. So we can ask to change the subtitles in the video to a different kind of font. We can change the intro and start with a joke. We can add a call to action at the end of the video and ask them to subscribe to your channel for more. And there's one more special feature here that I love, which is cloning my own voice. So if you don't want that automated voiceover in your video, you can add a much more human touch on it by cloning your own voice with the system. I already have mine inputted in the system, which only took 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna type in here in the edit command box, change voiceover to voice 1, which is my voice.
Let me show you how you can use this new voice cloning tool. When you're on InVideo AI, just click on these 3 lines up here on the left-hand side. Then under plugins, just click on voices. Click here and you can add your voice. With this, you have to submit a recording of at least 30 seconds and just mention, I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice. This is just for you to use, but if you don't mention this, it will not work. You can just use your phone or your laptop. So once you film a voice, just click on choose file, and you can upload it here. The processing is complete. You can then click on use, and it will automatically add your voice to the prompt.
Here you can edit the script and media of the video. So you really have full control over this video. Say you had your own fact that you wanted to add about a dog, you could just switch up the script and it will switch up the media to make it even better. They also do have a phone app, so you can do this completely from your phone. And again, I did put the link to access this platform right down in my description box down below. You can get started with InVideo AI for free and create up to 4 videos for free every single week. But if you're serious about video creation and you want to publish these videos without the watermark, you should upgrade to the paid plan that starts around $20 a month. Here it is here. This is the plan that I have. And of course, with this paid plan, you're getting access to all these features, including the voice cloning tool, the best stock footage in the market, and other features you would normally need other types of subscriptions for. This is an all-in-one platform that's very affordable that you can use. And I did get a code for you guys. You can use code BaddieInBiz50 when upgrading your plan to get 2 times the number of video credits for the first month. So now I'm gonna show you how you can get more unique content specifically for YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts can help your YouTube channels grow much faster and can make you money as well. Method number 1 is you can actually use InVideo AI also for short form content. Method number 2 is by repurposing content from Chinese content creator apps. I know this sounds weird, but this method is also free to do. So let me show you how you could also post videos like this. There are actually Chinese apps like Douyin or Douyin, like the Chinese version of TikTok. Also Shenyun, that has tons of animal content that we can repurpose. YouTube is actually banned in China for what I know, so these clips would then be non-copyright. You could search for the Xiaoyun app in your phone app store, download it, and make an account. After downloading, you're gonna reach a page where you need to select up to 4 interests and just make sure to include pets and then submit. Make sure to include pets and just anything animal related in this list. Then it's gonna pop up tons of animal videos for you as soon as you're inside. So say you wanna repurpose one of these videos. I have this free app called the Recorder app on my iPhone, and if you just click record on this app and you screen record this video, you can then take that video, crop it up, put your own personal touches on it, and then post this as your YouTube short. There are ways where you can copy the link and use a website that will save that video for you from the link, but I tried them myself and they were really sketchy and weird, so I don't recommend them for you guys. Now, if you need hooks or ideas in your videos, you can use ChatGPT to come up with short, funny captions. Here's the exact prompt I'm giving to ChatGPT, and you can see all the ideas it gives to us in less than 2 seconds. Adding text on screen hooks and captions, of course, to your YouTube shorts makes it look more original and eye-catching, especially with short form content. So now that you have the knowledge on how to create long form animal content and short form animal content without having an animal and without showing your face or making any videos yourself, you are now ready to start posting and growing your YouTube channel. If you haven't already watched my full free course about YouTube automation, I do have it on my YouTube channel and I'll link it down in the description box below. This will teach you how to make great performing thumbnails and tons of other topics that I get very specific about how to grow on YouTube specifically in that free course. For even more support on your YouTube automation and content creation journey, you should definitely join Baddie's Business Club. We post 2 new classes every single week that are dedicated to helping you grow faster through social media and monetizing online. I personally spend time with all of my VIP members to help you strategize and expedite your journey with making money online, and you will have all the resources that you need to succeed. Also put the link for the Baddies in Business Club down in my description box below and in the top comment as well. You guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. And again, all I ask in exchange for the free education is smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create videos and free courses just like this. Wishing you all the best with your animal YouTube automation journey, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.